Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. I got a box. And y'all know, but when I get a box, I get happy because I always know there's something really good in the box. And a lot of times I forget because I let boxes sit at the door for a while. And then I say, ooh, I gotta open it up and see what's inside. And then I think, oh, I can use my knife because I get to use my knife.
No one wants to go to jail for things.
So let's open it up, see what's inside. Love it so much. Bye bye bye. Okay, let's see what's inside. Woohoo! Oh, okay. Throw that away. This is a sleep mask. Get better night's sleep. That later on in this video. But right now, I'm just going to do the unboxing part. And I'm taking it out the box. And oh my, it comes in this nice velvet bag. That looks pretty. And as I'm pulling it out, whoa, this is nice and soft and cushiony and smooth. Yes, I like that. It comes with the charging plug, and over here is the charger bit. This is not just a regular mask. This is a Bluetooth mask. Block out all the light, hit your music, and listen to some really cool smoothing tunes or ocean and relax and have a beautiful rest. Rest helps build up your health mentally and physically. So I thought this would be cool. And now I am going to read the instructions. Hit the on and off button to pair with your Bluetooth device, and it'll show under BTFAAH. You see it says connected. These are washable because you see how the sweat came. You just easily remove the speaker from the side pocket, more towards on the right hand side, and it's 3 cords that will come out, a long, a short, and when you replace back, you want to replace back the long cord first and then the charging cord second. You have to do this very delicately because the cords are thin, but it fits right into the pocket up towards the top of the mask. Make sure that your unit will get ahead and be in the middle of your mask and that the buttons are faced towards the control mechanism. You slide this in really delicately. 2-hour charging, 10 hours of play, or 12 hours talking with 100 hours of standby. Throw your lights up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. See, my things are stuffing things.